Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Digital Jaspal. Today I bring you a tutorial on how to use the text editor widget of Elementor page builder. The text editor widget of Elementor is a powerful tool with the help of you can customize and design the content of a web page without any effort. Even if you don't know the technical points of the coding, you can still create a beautiful text in the web page. So stay with me. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's dive into it. So before starting the video, I will recommend you to subscribe your YouTube channel Digital Jaspal so that every time I'll make a video you get a notification. So today I will show you that three examples on how to use the text editor widget to create the nice text for your web page. For example, I will try to create this 3-column layout. This will not be the exact copy, but the structure of the web page will be the post, or the content will be same. So let's see. So to begin with, you just need to drag and drop the text editor which is on the left hand side of your Elementor page builder. You just have to drag and drop on the desired location of your web page. For example, I want to do it over here, so I put it over here. Now you can see it has opened a new window on the left hand side to do the formatting of that text. So we have 3 tabs on the top here: content, style, and advanced. In the content tab, you can have the content whatever you want to change it, you have to just write down over here. For example, I write on this one, so it has change the text on the right hand side, which you can see. So for example, if you want to delete this one and I want to create something else, so this is how you can do it. So you can see right hand side, it has changed everything. So this is the way you can put the content over here. And on the style tab, you can change the color, typography, or provide the shadow and the alignment to your text. For example, I want to alignment it to the center of the block. So I'll just click on the center over here on the small. You can say we have 4 tabs for the alignment. So I click center, so you can see the text is on the center. If I click on the left, it comes on the left hand side. This is how you can do alignment. For the text color, you have to come to over here and just click on the small box over here which is showing the colors. So it will open a new window. You can change the color of the text with the help of this window. So once you done this one, just click outside and it will change the color of that text. So you can see it is changing the color. For example, I do the red, it is now red now at the moment. So this is how you can change the color. On the typography, if you want to change that one, just click on the pencil icon in front of the typography. So here you have plenty of options to format the text. For example, if you want to change the family fonts of the text, you need to just select any of the fonts from here. For example, if I want to change it to rock salt, you can see it has changed its family fonts. So just click on any of this one, select any of the family font, it will change the fonts over here. And if you want to make it bold, for example, just click on the weight over here on the left hand side and click here. I'll select this one to make it bold, so the text will be bold. So this is how you can do formatting and you can change the typography. And if you want to change the line height, just drag this one, the small ball over here, which I'm doing right now. So you can see it is giving it a line height to all the text into that particular block. So if you want to do letter spacing, you can do it from here. So this is how you can increase and decrease the letter spacing in the text. So this is how you can create how you can do the typography of the text. Now we will move into the advanced tab, where you can give the margin and padding and the other width and plenty of other options. So I will not go deeply into it, otherwise the video will be very long. So what I'll do, I try to give it a more padding so that it gets more room from all the sides. So you can see if I click here and write down 5, so it will give 5 pixels of padding from all the sides of the the text inside the block. So padding is always from inside and margin is from outside the box. So this is how and if you want to change just the bottom of this one, so you have to just click on this one, and now you can change the bottom. So for example, I give the more padding on the bottom. So this is how you can, if you want to change all of these settings all together, you have to click on this icon over here. So it will change all the settings, all the padding will be same same number. So example 5 pixel, they will be all same value. This is how you can do. So now we have created this one, this column. Now you don't need to do another column and you don't need to do the settings of the other columns. You just need to do just right click on this one and copy, or control C or command C on the Mac. So copy this one and just do right click on again over here and paste it, and do the same pasting over here. So or control V over here. So this is how you can do it. Once you do this one, we have, so now we have created the 3 columns layout, and we have put our text over here. Now we want to see how it looks. So just go into the left hand side. On the bottom there's the eye icon, which is used to preview the what we have do the changes. So over here on the bottom, I click on this icon, it will open a new window for us to preview, and here we can see how it looks. So this is how we have created. So that's how we have to column 3 column layout with the text editor of the Elementor. So in the next example, I'll try to make a 2 column layout and try to make the or edit the text like this one. I'll try to customize the text exactly same with the help of 2 columns. So let's do it now. So I am here on the my Elementor page builder. So I have already created 2 columns so that we can save time. So all you need to do, just drag and drop the text editor into each column, and I'll do it again over here, and just drag and drop from the left hand side the text editor like I'm doing right now, bring it to over here on the right hand side. Now we have 2 text editor columns on the left hand side. I'll try to copy and paste this or for example, I do get from here these letters, and I put it over here so that it will save our time. So I'll change the settings. So on the left hand side I'll have the small, not too much letters as we have over here. So now I try to format this one. So to make it bold, we will just go into the tab option on the left hand side. Here we go to the typography, and where we can make it a bit more bolder, and we will try to change the color as well so that we can see the changes what we are doing. So this one, now I'll try to increase the size of the font, and for that I'll again click on the left hand side in front of the typography pencil icon, and here I can try to drag this the small ball and increase the size. As you can see on the right hand side, it is increasing the size on the in the right hand side. So now it is 29 pixels right at the moment. So this is how you can do font size editing on for the text editor. And on the right hand side we have a column. Now we will try to format that one as well. So for that I'll again copy some of the text from here so that we can try to make the exact things exactly same as it is over there. And so this is how now we have the text on the right hand side. So I paste it onto the text editor. Now we will try to give it a style. So what we do, we will try to give it colors to the text. So click on this one and click here and change the color, and now it is looking so congested from all the sides. What we'll do, give it a padding with the help of advanced tab. So we go over here and give it a little more padding over here. So I click over here and give it a padding of at least 10 pixels from all the sides. Now it looks more nice from all the sides. It has space from all the sides, from top, right, bottom and the left. And this on this one, I also provide the give it a padding so that looks more nice. So I do over here at least 15 pixel, so now it looks exactly nice one. So this is how it looks. So if you want to give it more again font, if you want to change the typography, give it to another family font, so you can select from here as well. Or if you want to give it a letter spacing for this paragraph, I'll do drag this one, so it will create more space in the letters over here on the right hand side. So this is how we try to achieve the same format in just few seconds. So this is how you can do. And if you want to see the changes, again I click on this one so that you can see the difference what we have created. So this is how it looks like. So this is how it is not exactly the same copy, but this is how you can achieve the, you can increase the font, you can change the font family. You can even if you want to give it less space over here, if you want to for example increase the size of the other box, just come to here on the center, as you can see, just drag it over here. Now it has more space over here, so this is, and increase this one so it looks more nice to you. So this is how so once you've done this one, Control S, now you can see the changes over here. It looks much better now, see. So this is the second way. So now in the third example, we try to achieve this text editing, this try to format the text in this way and try to rotate the left hand side text, and we have an image on the right hand side. And for that I have already created two column layout, and the right hand side we have image, and the left hand side we try to rotate the text as it is. So let's do it now. So for that I'll drag and drop the text over here. Now I'll change the text of this one. So I know it looks a bit tough, but trust me, it is very easy to achieve. So let's do it now. So for that on the left hand side I change the text, write down the name, for example Katrina. So now we'll change the style of this one. So we change the color first, so I'll give it to black color quickly. So we already do these things before, so I think if I do fast you will still understand. So now in the typography I'll change the size so of the text. So I'll do that now like this and make it a bit more bolder so that it looks nice. So this one we try to now I'll transform, because it is all in the uppercase in our example. So for that I go to the transform over here and I click on uppercase, and now we will remove the space in, so you can see there's space on the bottom and the top of this box. So for that we have to reduce the margin. We go into the advanced tab over here and click on the margins. So we have to click on this one so that it will not change all the values. We want to change only top and bottom margins. So I do try to do this like this so that you can understand. So now you can see there's no margin on the top. So from the bottom I also reduce so that we can bring more of text editor widgets over here, so that we have more space to when we try to stack to each other. So now what I'll do, I'll try to copy try to duplicate this one. So over here, so we have still space over here, so we going to do again for this one only. So then after that it will be more easy. So here I'll reduce the margin of this one only. So I click on this pencil icon and reduce the top margin from the top, so like this. So now we have all set to go. Now we have to just duplicate the other ones. So we need at least 5 of these, as I'll show you the example again. We have 5 over here, so you can see. So we have 1 2 3 4, and now one more. Then after that all need to do is just change the text, so that that particular text editor so go over there and click on the pencil icon, go into the content over here again, and next just write down the text. So I quickly do that one. Clarkson, this one is Clarkson. rotate. So now this one is the had I done straight over straight, and the last New York, the name of the place, New York. So this is how they have done over here. So we have almost created that one. So all need to do just rotate this text over here. So how we can do that? Just go into the icon, small icon here on the left hand side. We are doing the rotation of the whole column, not this the single by single each text editor. So for that, just go into the click on this one. So I'll go into the advanced tab, and now we have to bring the align this whole text together to the bottom. So click on end. So now it comes to the end. All I need to do is now rotate it. So for the rotation, go into the transform section over here. We have a rotate option. Just click on the pencil icon. Now we have I did it on the minus 90 over here, so it comes to the end over here right now. So it is almost same like this one. So we have achieved the same rotation like we over here. So this is how you can achieve and rotate the data. So this is so easy. We did it in just 3 to 4 minutes, guys. So I will recommend you to subscribe my channel and like and share this video, so that will encourage me to bring more videos like this. Thank you for watching.